Hello and welcome to All Taste German. If you are in the mood for some fresh rolls, which can be ready to eat in 1 hour, then you should try this German sour cream rolls recipe right away. These rolls have a wonderful crispy crust and a soft, moist texture. They are not only great for all kinds of German sandwiches, they are also a terrific addition to any dinner. Let me show you how little work is involved. You only need to add flour, yeast and sugar to a mixing bowl and blend. Then add the warm water, the oil, salt and sour cream and knead to a smooth dough. Cover the bowl and let rise for about 30 minutes or until the dough doubles in size. In the meantime, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Knead the dough briefly and form to a ball. Then cut into 8 slices with a dough cutter or knife. Germans have all kinds of shapes for rolls, and this one is a triangle, so there is no further forming involved. I love that idea, as I love to save time, but if you prefer smaller or round rolls, you can form them into your desired shape. Now add them to the prepared baking sheet, slash them with a sharp knife and sprinkle lightly with flour. Allow to rest uncovered for about 10 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 450 Fahrenheit and place a large heat-proof bowl or pan with water in the oven. I like to use a casserole pan. Bake the rolls for 5 minutes on 450 Fahrenheit, then reduce the temperature to 350 and bake for another 20 to 25 minutes. They look and smell amazing. I hope you will give them a chance and try this recipe. I'm sure you will love these moist and crispy sour cream rolls. Guten Appetit!